Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a towel rack that you can use to put like your hand towel if you guys want to use it in the restroom or something. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called KES, and here is basically what the package looks like. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. So first thing inside they do provide a tool that you can use to set it up. Next up right here we do have the bar. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the bar looks like. And the very last thing in the very bottom, they do provide guys the bottom of the base, and they also provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to install it if you guys don't know how to. And that is everything that's included in the package. So the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long. It's actually pretty easy. So all you need to do is put this part right on top. And then for this part, you guys want to put on top like this. You guys want to screw it in the bottom. And then here is basically the tools that's going to use to install it. So very easy and very simple. You basically want to put in the washer first and put this underneath it like that. So let's put it on. So it's going to go like this in the bottom. Once it goes all the way in, you guys can turn this on top. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up, here is basically what the product looks like. So basically now on top, you do have the option to hang your towel on here. So let's say for example, if I use this towel right here, just want to fold it in half. And you just want to put it on top just like this. And it's all set. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it is a stainless steel material. And the way how to design the bottom part, it does have like a non-slip material. So when you guys do put it on the table, it won't move around and it won't scratch your surface when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys want to put this in your restroom, your kitchen, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to put it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality towel rack holder that you leave in your restroom so that way people can wash their hands and wipe down their hand with the towel. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.